your camera boy Jona, and oh boy, the GoPro was never a hero in low light. See what I did there, guys? See what I did there? It's because they're called the GoPro Hero 9 and 10. All lame jokes aside, right now I'm shooting with a $3,000 camera. It's a Sony A7C paired with a Sony 20mm 1.8. I'm shooting at f7.1 right now. Let's now switch it to the GoPro Hero 10. Alright, we're on the GoPro Hero 10. Right now we're shooting at ISO 100. Let's see how much of a hero this guy stays when we go up with ISO. We're also going to compare it with the GoPro Hero 9 Black to see you when it's a bit more dark. Right now I'm shooting at the GoPro Hero 10 at ISO 800. That is what I consider the start of low light, and this is what the GoPro Hero 9 looks like. Let's now put them side by side so you guys have a more easy way to seeing what the difference is. Honestly, this is a test that I'm very excited about because, as I said, this is where GoPro struggles the most. It's low light, so I'm very curious to see if the GoPro Hero 10 finds a way to do it better than the 9 used to do. Let's now wait a little longer and then up the ISO, baby. The ISO that you're seeing right now is 1600, and this is the GoPro Hero 10. Switching now to the GoPro Hero 9. Honestly, very awkward to be vlogging with two cameras. So yeah, let's wait a little longer to then see 3200. I would say that 1600 is kind of fine with GoPro. But 3200, that's really where I tried to never use it before. So let's see if that's now possible with the new GoPro Hero 10. And here we are, ISO 3200. I'm really curious to see how the GoPro Hero 10 pulls this off. Switching now to the GoPro Hero 9 so you can see a little bit of comparison, and now showing them both to you at the same time. I gotta say, it's so fun though, vlogging on a GoPro. It's so light, so nobody watches you. Honestly, I really hope that this camera one day really becomes almost as good as a normal camera, because it's so fun to do. And also, you know, it's cheaper, $500. You're not so stressed about your camera, putting it down on the floor, etc. Let's actually show a little bit of a POV also, so you see that as well at that ISO. By the way, this is how I look doing this test for you guys. I got the GoPro Hero 10 here on my cap, and then chest mount GoPro Hero 9. Let's check it out. Now you're seeing the GoPro Hero 10 at ISO 3200. Now you're seeing the GoPro Hero 9 at ISO 3200. I will now put them side by side. I don't know how this is gonna look side by side, because, you know, I showed you just in the previous clip how I am shooting this for you guys. So I hope you have a way of kind of figuring out what looks best. Quickly shooting some more here with ISO 800, because before I show you ISO 6400, I kind of wanted to show you how it really looks with my eye now. This is how it looks now with my eye. Really dark now, and the bush is lit up. Yes, boys and girls, the moment of truth. ISO 6400. Right now you're watching the GoPro Hero 10. So yeah, this is the maximum ISO. I have no idea how this looks, probably crap. This is now the GoPro Hero 9. Is there anything better about the Hero 10? Let's put them side by side so you can see for yourself which one you like the most, and if GoPro was able to make some improvements with the GoPro Hero 10. I have to say, when I look at the back of the screen, it seems like there's less noise in the Hero 10. And to give you something to compare with, I switched back to my $3000 camera setup, shooting at ISO 6400 as well. Do you see that this is a way more expensive camera? Honestly, I hope so, otherwise they kind of ripped me off. But I'm sure this is gonna look way different, way less noisy. And well, the beauty of course is that we can now do things like, okay, that was the wrong side, that we can go to 1.8. I'm even completely overexposed probably right now at ISO 1.8. I see that the meter says that I'm +2. By the way, if you want a free preset for all your photos, follow me on Instagram, Jona.vagabond, and DM me presets. Like and subscribe to see my full review on the GoPro Hero 10, comparing it to the GoPro Hero 9. Your camera boy Jona out. See you in the next one.